Choose the correct sentence. He had no warriors, his pension was adequate, and there was a little money saved up besides. Choose the correct sentence. There's Mr. Hashim, who they say is the best portrait painter in the town. A full description of car accident dash reported. Was reported. Ahmed dash me for a long time. Knows me. He is appreciated for being ambidextrous. The underlined word means use both hands for the same skill. He visited the ghettos for the first time. The underlined word means underprivileged area. My friend has a fine dash of old stamps. Collection of. Choose the correct sentence. Every one of the prisons is full. The headmaster dashed to speak to you. Wants to. Knowledge and wisdom dash no time for connection. Have no time. Each of the three boys dash to ride. Loves to ride. Choose the correct sentence. B. Mr. Shan, together with his family, goes to England. Choose the correct sentence. C. The Englishman thinks that he and his country are the best. Pick the word with correct spelling. D. Apparatus. Pick the word with correct spelling. C. Mercenary.